Hello student. Today we are going to study 12th Science Math 2nd chapter number 3 Indefinite Integration. In this integration, today we are studying integration by substitution. We use the following substitution, that is first one is under root a square minus x square. For this integration we use the substitution as x is equal to a sine theta or x is equal to a cos theta. Second one, for integration a raised to x plus x square, sorry, for integration for second integration under root a square plus x square, we use the standard formula, standard substitution as x is equal to a tan theta. Third one, for third integration, that is under root x square minus a square, we use the standard substitution as x is equal to a sec theta. And fourth one, under root a minus x divided by a plus x. For this integration we use the standard substitution x is equal to a cos of 2 theta. Now we solve some special integration, that is first one is integration 1 upon x square plus a square into dx, which is equal to 1 upon a tan inverse of x upon a plus c. We have to prove this special integration. For this, let I is equal to integration 1 upon x square plus a square into dx. Now put x is equal to, for this value we can substitute x is equal to a tan theta. A tan theta, this implies that tan theta is equal to x upon a, that is theta is equal to tan inverse of x upon a. Therefore, differentiating this value, we get dx is equal to a, value of tan theta is sec square theta into d theta. Now I is equal to integration 1 upon substituting this value, that is x square plus a square, value of x square, value of x is a tan theta, therefore a square tan square theta plus a square into value of this dx is a sec square theta d theta, which is equal to integration 1 upon a square constant tan square theta plus 1 into a sec square theta d theta. This square get cancelled. We can take this as sec square theta divided by a, and value of this tan square theta plus 1 is sec square theta into d theta. Therefore 1 upon a, these values are cancelled, integration of d theta, which is equal to 1 upon a, integration of this d theta is theta plus c, and we know the value of theta is 1 upon a, value of this theta is tan inverse of x upon a plus c. Therefore integration 1 upon x square plus a square dx is equal to 1 upon a tan inverse of x upon a plus c. So this is the value of special integration, and we can substitute here x is equal to a tan theta. अशाच प्रकारे आपण आणखी एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करताना ह्या ज्या सबस्टिट्यूशन आले आहेत ह्या इंटिग्रेशन जर अशा पद्धतीचे इंटिग्रेशन असेल तर त्याच्यासाठी एक्सच्या व्हॅल्यू ह्या सबस्टिट्यूट करून आपण अशा पद्धतीने दिलेले एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करू शकतो. थँक्यू.